kind of gruesome, guys. You can't it in a man. Some people, the alarms they are going chill back. They are going all a little one easy. And they can't see my water. They on this up there. But a little feeding tree, guys. One feeding tree. We decided on a feeding tree basically. Yeah. So 2 pedo fly in a while ago. See me can get one out of them, you know? Yeah man, so stay tuned guys and watch a shot here. Shoot him again. Shoot him, listen. What feed up, you know? Cranium, you know, guys. Some hot and close. You know? They don't know, me can have nothing for me, guys. You get what I say? Some slick. I know, guys, she in her house, and I know, so when she hear the explosion, she go come out and wonder, you know. But we are trying to keep it a secret for the time being, you know, guys. So I don't know. It's not that me I try to get a head start, you know, guys. It's just that we just there go and build off idea hot. But we there underneath the tree, guys, and I say, yo, you know, get the rifle and go and clutch. Things can go on. Yeah, man. We get salting from board already. Yeah.
How am I still fly?
I'll collapse, man. Then come back. And then shot us one time, you know, say, boy, we there. Right. Yes, my people. Welcome back to another epic what I call it now, white crown pigeon hunt. When you see the face, you don't know, say, One and only bad general system stretch. Yeah man, we can't talk too loud and now still no guys, but guess what? Yeah man, we hunt some bird. We come in at the area and the neighbors them say they want some bird we could deal with. Yeah man, cause them say yo, them see the bird man them come through. Which is more, not Mickey and me, just more. Yeah. So as you can see her in the background guys, the loser, always the loser. Yeah, she's always in the background as you can see. Yeah, I'm always at the front. So guys, I'm telling you what guys. I'll make sure this guys, but then if you comment team stretch. You get what I say guys? So yes man. Deal with the thing the right and proper way my people. Yes. Like up the video from now. Cause that one I go nice, that one I go epic. So now just stay tuned my people. Yeah man, we don't want to draw out the intro guys, you don't know the thing set up. You never see bad boy for a little while now guys. Yeah man, bad boy is still there you know. Yeah man. Grim Reaper. Yeah. Now Mickey alone can use rifle guys. I want him to you know. Yeah. You love splash water. You have splash water on? Huh? I want cold splash water, want big enough water. And 2 kiss cake. And the domino biscuit. 2-ball plate. But I run out of ammo because I slingshot me use. I don't know see that part of the guys. I'm going to make Mickey finish them off with the rifle. So I'm going to shoot them out. See, man? I shot him to and he injured too. But I know not to shot you. Guys, the reason we make it take a shot and I not so 100 on the rifle like Slingshot, you know. So, I make it take a shot. Let me give him a shot in the chest in the back foot and still land back on him, you know. Yeah.
Yes, we get a fish.
Premium and everything done, man. It's kind of gruesome, guys. Me tough, you know. Me shot him in your say, no? In chest. You shot him straight in the chest, but me did lick him. Me say me shot it 2 of them and injury 2 of them over here. That's why you see them in the fly. Because I slingshot me I use.
Oh.
The through my camera dead.
You can't see when me shot him in the chest.
I couldn't do nothing. Guys, you know, see that if it wasn't for a stretch, it wouldn't be possible to injure the bird and make them stay one place. So that's make it can able to come over, if it can go on like she can shoot. You know what I mean? So guys, we need enough to come in team stretch right now. Now guys, them birder, them will go to some subscribers across the road because they say they want to taste the bird them, so we are going to give them, make them look after them. You understand? Yeah man, so when I don't know, so we always do this guys. So it's only fair we share them up with some other folks, make them taste what it tastes like or make them cook. Who never eat bird in a long time can get them, you understand? Yeah man. So who's the king? Who's the king guys? Who's the king?
King
Shooter! But me slingshot guys, may I use a thinner band. A thinner band, and if me can injure the bird them can fly guys, I skill me skill. Cha-cha!
Just sit down and get quiet again. Because no bird now come over which part we did. But they know say killer over there, so guys, so they now come over there.
Guys, they make a mistake. They make a mistake.
They now come over there, so we did.
Guys,
they fly them and fly over.
Deal with them wicked out there. Yeah man, but
guys,
them get so weary guys. We're there from morning and I tell us we know. like he fly over, guys.
So guys, what we are going to do, we are going to just go and see if we can wait for them same way, guys.
Yeah.
So we
We have
just
to
got
do
the
this.
first two, guys. We want to see if we, as Trick said before, give them to some people,
Yeah, to
guys.
some,
So,
yeah,
wanna stay
some viewers and subscribers, you know. Yeah, man. Stay tuned, guys.
You can it in a man.
Guys, as you can see, I just come back and look for the bird. Guys, I look for the bird till a week. I can't tell when he go. I don't know how him still fly. I must dopey bud. I don't know how he still fly, guys. But I look for him, can't find him. We only see a feather them. I don't know where else to look, guys. But I know I have to see that shot there a while ago. Yeah, man, I don't stay tuned same way, guys.
Some people don't want to go on around. We don't call it a day, you know, guys, because we can't shoot two of them. And we can't make them really stay too long, because we never really carry the cooler and thing. So here what we want, here what we don't do now, guys. We're going to see if we can. Yeah, see if we can. Sorry about that, guys. See if we can carry them and go give the viewers them, you understand? Yeah, man. So guys, man, bless up Blaine, bless up yourself, you know, man. Fernandez, Marika, you don't know, the whole family, whole Clement crew, Geico, everyone I don't know yourself. Kemisha, you don't know anything set up. Yeah, man, we are going to do some hunting, guys. But if you don't notice, guys, we don't really did a post. Like some ideas that we end up and miss out and them thing there, because we have some personal things that we are going to deal with, you know, guys. I don't know the personal, so we could have shown you, yes, but the personal, I get what I say. So we just keep some things to feel yourself, you understand? Yeah, man. So we are going to see if we can go link viewers them, you know. Let them get if I'm to a ball play them, because I'm sorry, you know, turn out better than this, guys. But that's how you go. Because one time I did leave to one of them where they run out all shot, because I have some steel in my pocket, you know, guys. Think of the 9mm them alone. When I take a stack of 8mm mix with the 9mm. So I only have about 2 9mm and couple 8mm. So you don't know, say, for the slingshot shooters, them you don't understand what I say. When you use the 9mm and the 8mm are two different shots that you have to get. Yeah, man. So I don't know where to go. It's a disappointing day in our way, but we still have to give thanks same way, because we never put down none out there. And we get 2 of them, so we still have to give God thanks, you understand? Yeah, man. So guys, you know, like, comment, share and subscribe, you know. You don't know anything set up. Until the next adventure, you know, guys. No worry yourself. You know, soon see more videos from we and some epic ones up to epic ones coming up, you understand? But for now, guys, we are dealing with some business quick and fast, you understand? So until then, until the next adventure, the next video, guys, I want to say peace out to you, you understand? Yeah, man.